welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Natalie and I talk about everything Canada. From packing up, moving to Canada, life in Canada, everything Canada. Now, my last video I shared with you the homes that I viewed right before viewing this home, and I shared that when I viewed this home, coming here, it was more for the fun of it because I thought, hey, I could not afford this home. But I saw it, I fell in love with it, and I told Paul I want to make an offer on it. So today's episode is going to detail, because I know I ended that last one a little dry, I'm going to detail me, making my offer and the whole process after that, straight up to moving here, empty house tour. So stay tuned. Let's go. Viewed this home, I was so in love, but I felt like I'd be disappointed if I didn't get it, and I figured that I would not be able to get the home. I told Paul, my realtor, what offer I wanted to make people. I did not believe I could afford the deposit for what I was going to offer, but I told him, hey, that's what I'd be willing to offer. And he did his checks, he came back and he gave me a lower offer that we would go anyway. I did that. Then Paul calls me.
It's been back and forth, myself and the agent, and I think finally they decided that they're going to work with your offer. To see if I did that. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So all right. So what about the conditions that I had in?
And not only that, right now they've told me not only are they going to work with your offer of financing, inspection, they're also going to work with all three of them, because we got inspection, status certificate, and finance, and they're fine with all three of them. 5 business days should give us enough time to wrap the deal up and get the finance, which is amazing because nowadays nobody's accepting offers.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh
so,
my gosh.
It's a real
like we really want to start shaking sound right now.
Well, not too early because we still have some more to do, but I'm glad we got to the point where they've accepted our offer with the conditions. That to me hasn't happened in the last, I don't know, a year or so. I haven't been able to get a deal with conditions. So
wow.
This is amazing.
Wow.
So,
right?
Yeah. So what we got to do, we got to talk about your deposit.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, right now they're asking me questions about deposit.
And that's kind of where everything just went uphill. It got chaotic. It got fun. And I was so excited. I knew, just based on the timelines, that I'd have to rush through some of the things because I was also going to Jamaica for my birthday. And I also knew that given that I was on a lease, which I accidentally signed for 2 years instead of 1, I was bound to that contract. And I immediately reached out to my landlord to let her know what was happening. That was another experience because she did not take too kindly to me breaking the contract midway, and it was a very tough back and forth, very hostile at points situation, and she did threaten to take me to the landlord and tenant board. But of course, homegirl is a lawyer deep inside. And so I did a lot of reading, a lot of research, and I made a proposal to her that had she declined my offer, then I could simply just opt to terminate the lease on my own, just notifying her that I'd be moving out. Of course, she had no choice but to take me up on that offer. I immediately went and put up the ad on Facebook Marketplace, Kijiji, I think just those 2 places. And lots of people showed interest, and I found a great couple that they were really excited to get that place. It was a very beautiful condo that I was living on, so of course they were so excited. They paid up their deposit and everything to her, and so everything ended up turning out well. Following that, I actually met my mortgage broker because Paul was kind of coordinating a lot of things for me, so I was able to do things by email and by phone. But of course, you have to sign the mortgage documents, right?
Can I bother you for something?
Yes.
Because I can't find it, and I'm not gonna go eat in a restaurant. Make me some oxtail.
She doesn't cook oxtail, that's where I cook oxtail. oxtail,
Okay, make
but...
fish oxtail.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah. She's the man.
You promise?
Yeah, I mean, because what I'll do is that
Oxtail
every hour
recipe.
when I cook, I just have a
Yeah,
portion for you.
for me, for me.
Yeah, I'm probably like probably make
loves
cooking next
oxtail.
week.
He always
Okay?
oxtail.
Yeah, because I love
Yeah, she grew
oxtail.
up in Jamaica, that's right.
When you want that
Oh.
oxtail.
Hmm? When?
When you want that oxtail.
Anytime. Not over the next 2 weeks though.
Not, what do you mean not over the next 2 weeks?
Do mid-October.
Right, but
I'm leaving on
mid-October.
Monday.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
in for 10 days.
Where you going?
You know,
Oh, you like?
Oh,
Danielle and I are celebrating our 10-year anniversary.
Nice.
So we're going for 10 days.
okay.
Computer and phone come with us.
I
Don't
know.
worry.
So after signing my mortgage documents, I knew this was for real, for real. I was so nervous. At one point, I was like, what if the bank comes back and, you know, takes back the mortgage from me and said, you know, we're not gonna loan you the money. Like, at that time, I no longer had a condo to be in. Or I'd have to just go back to Jamaica, or I'd have to find somewhere. My mind was just all over the place. I think it was just the pressure of like this new experience. And then I was going to Jamaica. And while there, I found out that I miscalculated my down payment. Anyways, that all worked out in the end. So the morning of November 10th, I got up and I was just in a beautiful mood. Of course, just so grateful, just reflecting on, you know, this journey and me being a new homeowner in Canada. It was definitely exciting and I could hardly wait for my lawyer to give me that call and say, hey, we closed on the home. So I'll let you see just a bit here with Jeff and moi collecting the keys as well as my empty house tour. Yes! Okay, so I'm trying to keep calm. I'm heading to collect the keys at the seller's lawyer's office in Cambridge. So I'm just leaving Mississauga. My vehicle is a hot mess. A hot mess. I'm gonna let you see it in a picture. Oh, what I'm gonna say, hold on there. Alright. So this is what my vehicle looks like. Front seats, everybody. It's a hot mess. And Jeff is in the car behind me collecting, well, not collecting, carrying some stuff as well. And then Pedro, my BFF, is on his way from New York, so I pick him up in a few hours.
I think that lockbox is just on there generally.
Oh my gosh.
Hmm?
This thing can leave the legs. I thought it was bigger than these.
That's what we thought too.
Yes.
I'll just close this
It
door.
doesn't say my dining room stuff will not be matching with this, but anyway.
That's okay. Right. Yeah, I did kind of push it up.
Well, we're trying to fix this toilet thing. Now we'll have to get busy with the cleansing. They'll let some tissue for you.
Me?
Do you need tissue?
I'm good. I'll pass.
Right.
Far from
Let's see how the basement looks. I'm so excited for this project. So excited for this project. Okay. So I even this, I will clean this up and put my candles up on that. I will legit do that. Alright, just clean it here. Storage.
What is that? Is that the elevator?
Let's see what we need to use. what would be useful and save us, like whatever this is for instance.
This is probably something. Maybe it is another attachment to the thing upstairs.
Probably. We can figure it all out, right?
Yeah.
There's some kind of carpeting thing here. Maybe it can be used to put on here like a support project. What is it? I'm hoping I can get like a, what do you call it now? Maybe it can fit right here. Like what do you call it again now? A wash basin.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I always love. Jeez, I'm gonna much of this in.
Pull that up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Slide. Hold on a minute. I'm coming home.
Here that I've not seen before. Like, oh, maybe they might be here. Hold on, they took this down?
What was there? I don't recall.
That the thing.
Oh, you mean the shop? Yeah, probably have to get that.
And these people who are living here clearly have no idea how it's clean. What's this? Yeah, ouch. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look real good. Real good. Thank you. Oh, they left the stuff up here. I was hoping they would not do that.
It can be taken down.
Yeah, I guess that's something we can tackle tomorrow, probably. Here, yes. Let me see, I hope my bedroom does kind of fit. Just checking. Alright, so all I'm gonna do right now, I want to at least sweep the place. If I could do a quick wipe through, that would be good. It's exciting. So the following day, I actually moved into this house and I have been working assiduously to get this house to become home. It's very comfortable right now, but you know me, I'm always doing a lot of things. I've already done my office makeover. I did that in November and I haven't shared it with you yet, but that's coming. You know, I recently purchased some stuff for the outdoor space and you know I'm gonna come up with one of those in the coming weeks or so. I'm also doing a whole stressful basement renovation. Right, I'm getting that space looking like you just moved into like some fancy place, right? Like I'm working on it and I've been able to see the transformation so far. Like the framing is done. I have some electrical work that's gonna start soon, in some insulation. A lot is happening over here and I can hardly wait to share all of these things with you. So yes, this year, for the next couple of months, you'll be seeing lots of videos about my home. But of course, you know, we are doing road and so hashtag outside, so we'll be outside as well. And I'll be sharing all of that with you. I'm so happy to be able to share my life in Canada with you. I'm usually such a private person when it comes on to my personal life, but you know, moving to Canada has really done something for me. I remember when I was moving here, like I didn't find a lot of Jamaicans who were, you know, talking about, you know, moving to Canada or their life in Canada. And so I was looking at people from other cultures who their experiences were just so different. And I said, you know what, where I am, there is drama. So let me document my own experience so that I can help others. I'm so happy that I'm able to help other people or just show people life in Canada in general. And so Thank you for joining me on the ride. So before I go, I know some of you with your very sharp eyes, and also because I gesticulate a lot, you might have noticed that I am wearing a piece of jewelry, and I rarely wear a lot of jewelry. So yes, people, I posted Dating in Canada Part 2. I don't remember which day I posted it. It was a Sunday, I think it was. Yes, it was a Sunday. I don't know. Anyways, long and short of the story, Jeff had some serious plans that I did not know. We went for dinner at the CN Tower and he made a respectable woman out of me. And I'll share that story with you soon enough. But for now, I'm gonna run. But you know the drill. If you liked the video, please click that you liked the video, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you will not miss a beat when I post any of those new videos. Bye!